Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, investors are now betting that the US Fed will need to cut rates in 2023, and that is twisting the global bond market. The Fed is widely expected to raise rates 75 basis points on Thursday, so these signals are confusing as markets struggle to make the transition. In the US, even though the Chicago Fed's National Activity Index was unchanged in June from May and still recording a moderate expansion, the Dallas Fed's more current July survey is only expanding with a modest growth and gives more evidence of an economic slowdown in the US factory sector. And China said the number of new births in several Chinese provinces hit the lowest in 60 years, and their experts now expect the country's population to start to shrink before 2025. And staying in China, they will launch a new real estate fund to help property developers resolve their crippling debt crisis, aiming for a war chest of up to $44 billion in a bid to restore confidence in the industry. And Hong Kong's exports sank in June, down 6.5% from the same month a year ago, and extending a run of depressing results for them. Hong Kong is now but a shadow of its former vibrant self, and all their economic data seems to be quite weak there. And Taiwanese industrial production went right off the boil in June, with only a trivial, for them, 0.7% rise year on year. But their retail sales took off, up a quite remarkable 22% year on year. And Singapore reported its June CPI inflation rate of 6.7%, well above the 6.2% expected, and also well above the 5.6% rate in the March quarter. In Germany, a closely watched business climate indicator fell in July to its lowest in over 2 years and below market expectations, as high energy prices and the threat of gas shortage are weighing on their economy that is on the cusp of a recession there. And the US Treasury 10-year yield will start today at 2.81% and up 6 basis points from the start their week. And the price of gold will open today at $1,720 an ounce, which is down $7 from this time yesterday. And oil prices are little changed at just under $96 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just over $100 a barrel. These prices are a little less than a dollar higher than this time yesterday. And the Kiwi dollar will open today marginally firmer at 62.7 US cents. Against the Australian dollar was softer at 90.1 Australian cents, and against the euro with little changed at just on 61.3 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today at 71.2 and a minor 10 basis points gain above this time yesterday. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.